the author started working on the piece of work that he had bought from the junk shop. Okay, I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. So he started pulling out the drawers first. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. So veneer means a thin layer of plastic which is there to coat the furniture. Okay, so it had lifted almost from everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. So what had damaged the furniture? Water. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. Taken their toll on, meaning is given in the glossary. Damaged means both fire and water had damaged that roll top desk. Okay, scotch marks were also there. Water had also played its vital role in damaging that roll top desk. Okay, the last drawer was stuck fast. The last drawer was not coming out of the furniture. Okay, so that so I tried all I could to ease it out gently. So he tried everything to pull out that drawer. In the end, I used a brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. So he brutally hit the drawer from the side, and the drawer automatically it flew out of its place. Okay, and it revealed something was there in that drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. So in that drawer there was one more secret drawer, and in that secret drawer there was a small black tin box. Sellotaped to the bottom of it was a piece of lined paper. So at the bottom of that box with a sellotape there was a piece of paper with something was written on it, and written on it in shaky handwriting. Shaky means trembling hand, shaky hand. Someone had written something on it. It was received January 25, 1915. Please keep this date in mind. On January 25, 1915, this letter was received by the recipient of this letter. So, to be buried with me when the time comes. Further, it was written, this letter should be buried with me when the time comes. The person who had written that letter, he has written that this letter should be buried with me when I would die at that time. This letter should go with me. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box. So ethics says we should not open someone else's letter or someone else's secret thing, but author had already done that because he wanted to know, with good intention he did that. He wanted to know what had happened.